Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Tinambakan ng Rwanda ang Lebanon 80-62. Top performer si Bella sa likod ng kanyang 24 points, 7 rebounds at 2 steals. Panalo naman ng Venezuela kontra sa South Korea 84-78. Top performer si Waliska Perez matapos nagtala ng 22 points, 8 rebounds, 5 assists, 3 steals at 2 blocks. Tinambakan naman ng si Chea ang Mali 84-63. Top performer si Julia Risingorovia sa likod ng kanyang 21 points at 6 rebounds. Wagi naman ang Montenegro kontra sa New Zealand 88-64. Top performer si Buhana Kovacevic sa likod ng kanyang 18 points, 7 rebounds at 4 assists. Tinalo naman ng Mexico ang Mozambique 71-65. Top performer si Gabriela Hakis matapos nagtala ng 19 points at 8 rebounds. Tambak rin ang inabot ng Women's Gilas Pilipinas mula sa kamay ng bansang Hungary 97-60. Top performer si Agnes Torok sa likod ng kanyang 25 points, 3 rebounds at 4 assists. Para naman sa natalong Women's Gilas Pilipinas, April Bernardino 11 points, 6 rebounds, 4 steals. Ella Fajardo 10 points, 2 rebounds. Habang nalimitahan lamang sa 6 points, 1 rebound, 2 steals at 1 block si Jack Animam. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of August 20, 2024. Sa Group A, Zechea 1 win 0 loss 2 points. Valenzuela 1 win 0 loss 2 points. South Korea 0 win 1 loss 1 point. Mali 0 win 1 loss 1 point. Sa Group B, Montenegro 1 win 0 loss 2 points. Mexico 1 win 0 loss 2 points. Mozambique 0 win 1 loss 1 point. New Zealand 0 win 1 loss 1 point. Sa Group C, Brazil 1 win 0 loss 2 points. Senegal 1 win 0 loss 2 points. Hungary 1 win 1 loss 3 points. Philippines 0 win 2 losses 2 points. Sa Group D naman, Rwanda 1 win 0 loss 2 points. Argentina 1 win 0 loss 2 points. Great Britain 0 win 1 loss 1 point. Lebanon 0 win 1 loss 1 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto naman ang mga laro ngayong August 21, 2024. Maglalaban ng Senegal at Brazil alas 2 ng madaling araw Philippine time. Zechea kontra sa South Korea alas 7:30 ng umaga. Venezuela kontra sa Mali alas 10:30 ng umaga. Lebanon kontra sa Great Britain alas 11 ng gabi Philippine time. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.